Welcome to Learn Arabic.
I found this question on Reddit and I think it would be great to give it an answer, so here you go. I was reading an article about a city in Spain called Medinat al-Zahra. I think it was built in Umayyad days. I remember that the Arabic spelling for the city in Arabia, usually spelled Medina in English, is Madinah. It seems from Wikipedia articles that the terms Medinat and Madinah both mean city, but why does one have a T at the end? Let's put this question into perspective. The city in the question is a historical city in Andalusia. This is what Wikipedia says about Medinat al-Zahra.
الزهراء مدينة أندلسية مشهورة، تبعد عن قرطبة 7 كيلومتر. تشتهر بعمارتها وما استخدم فيها من الذهب والرخام. قام ببنائها الخليفة الأموي عبد الرحمن الناصر لدين الله بين عامي 936 و 940 ميلادية. وقد بناها لتماثل قصور دمشق العاصمة الأموية القديمة، وازدهرت لنحو 80 عاماً، ثم هجرها أهلها من جند قرطبة خلال ثورة البربر.
Medinat al-Zahra or Medina az-Zahra, Arabic.
مدينة الزهراء.
Romanized. Medinat az-Zahra, literally, the radiant city, was a fortified palace city on the western outskirts of Córdoba in present-day Spain. Its remains are a major archaeological site today. The city was built in the 10th century by Abd ar-Rahman III, 912 to 961, a member of the Umayyad dynasty and the first caliph of Al-Andalus. It served as the capital of the Caliphate of Córdoba and its center of government. Now the word which means city can be pronounced as
مدينة,
where the final T is pronounced, or
مدينة,
where the final T is not pronounced. This final letter is
التاء المربوطة.
This
تاء
is particularly pronounced in the genitive case.
المضاف والمضاف إليه.
This is the case when two nouns are linked in meaning.
مدينة المسافرين.
The city of travelers.
مدينة القاهرة.
The city of Cairo.
مدينة النور.
The city of light. In all these examples, you pronounce
تاء
because the word
مدينة
is in the genitive case. Whereas, when you say the same word in any other case, you may not pronounce the final
تاء
as a,
تاء
but as.
ألف.
See this example.
أذهب إلى المدينة.
I go to the city. Thank you and hope this was helpful.